Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, I will show you how to add content links to your YouTube Shorts in detailed steps. So, let's start the video. But before proceeding with this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post a new video. How to add content links to your YouTube Shorts? In this video, I'll be showing you how to add content links to your YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts are a great way to share short, engaging videos with your audience, and adding content links can help drive traffic to your other videos or external websites. So if you're ready to take your YouTube Shorts to the next level, be sure to watch this video and learn how to add content links like a pro. Let's see how. Sign in to YouTube Studio. From the left menu, select Content. Click the short you'd like to edit. Select a related video from your channel. Click Save. How to create YouTube Shorts from your videos? To create a short from a public video you already uploaded, go to the watch page of your video. Tap Remix. And then edit into a short to open the short's creation experience. Select up to 60 seconds of your video. And then tap Next to add creative touches like text or filters before you upload your short. Tip: to choose a different layout, tap Layout. So, this is all about how to add content links to your YouTube Shorts. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.